Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me this beautiful women's scarf. This is a Cindy and Wendy scarf in the nice watermelon color. I definitely love this color. It's so unique, but it's also so neutral. I can wear it with so many things in my closet, and at the same time, it's so practical and versatile. I want to show you here, obviously as a scarf, I can use it around my neck, like this, which is really nice to keep me nice and warm if it's chilly outside, and also as a pashmina. It's actually got a really nice length and width to just wrap around me like this. So beautiful if I want to wear it with a dress, for example. And you can see there, it also has this really nice sheen to it, which just gives it that nice stylish and elegant look, all the while keeping me nice and warm. So I would definitely recommend this scarf if you are looking for yourself or to give to someone. I think that is such a good purchase and I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.